This is the Canon Rebel SL3 camera. It takes pictures and it also takes video. One thing I love about this, as a YouTuber and a content creator, doing blog posts and videos, this will record video for up to 30 minutes instead of the typical 15 minutes that a lot of cameras, DSLR cameras, record. That is one main reason why I bought this camera. The other main reason I bought this camera is because of this screen. You can open it so then when you're taking a video of yourself or whatever you're doing, you can see what's going on over here. You can tilt it a little bit, can close it this way. Don't mind the paint stuff on my cameras. I paint when I'm recording, so I got paint on them. This is not the lens that came with this camera. This is the EFS 24 millimeter. It is a lens that is very crisp and clear. The videos and the footage that you get and the pictures, it focuses really, really well and has a clear picture, but it also has like a bokeh effect where it's kind of blurry in the black background. So I love this lens. It's much better than the kit lens. And I'm not a professional by any means. This is just what I've picked up over the years of creating content online. So right here is the on-off switch. On takes you to photos. Over to the camera recorder thing takes you to videos. I personally like to do videos on the TB setting, and photos I like on the manual setting, but I'm sure that you could do auto as well. So I do not have a card in this camera, so I can't take any picture, and it's sitting here telling me no card in camera. Obviously you have to take off the lid from the lens, the cover. So this is what it looks like on manual. On auto, it helps you figure out how to take pictures and stuff. I just always use manual, so I don't really know much about auto, to be honest. But if you're sitting here looking at your screen and you want to be able to see the picture in the screen right here, instead of having to look through the viewfinder to see what it's going to take a picture of, just click this button right here, and then it will show you. And you can tap on the screen, and depending on where you focus or where you tap, it will focus on those things. You can change the brightness and the darkness. I'm just using the scroll thing right here. Like I said, if you're on auto, I'm sure that it is so much easier. But same thing, you tap on something and it focuses on it. You tap on something over on a different place and it focuses over there. With video, you switch this over to the video. And then I like to have it on TV, but whatever. And you can see your video. So you can flip this out over here. And you can just see my hand because my hand is covering the lens, but you can view what the camera is taking over here. So that is super nice when you're trying to record something, and you're over here and you want to be able to see what their camera is doing. That is a huge benefit of this camera.